Okay. See, Mr. West, you have
Jetson Bell, Your Honor.
Jetson Bell, please.
Sorry I had to jump in here, but
It's all right.
I picked a jury yesterday. I was laughing that I had 4 trials set yesterday.
Mr. Wilkerson's not here today. What? So this is Brandon Bell, and this is Jetson Bell.
Yeah, he sent me number 1 and 2 next door, and I told him, I'm sitting there, which is in case something happens.
Hey, can y'all keep it down? Court started, please.
The one next door. I think 20 was the last one.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Huh?
Wrong bell. That's Jetson.
Okay,
Yeah.
there is a Brandon also, yeah.
So he's not.
And they're both
Right
today.
there's Jetson. Okay.
Is Mr. Smith here?
Alfino's taking Mr. Smith's spot today.
Good morning, sir. Are you Jetson Bell?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 0108, 0109, and 0110. Mr. Bell's cases are set for trial to begin with jury selection on December the 1st. And what is the announcement?
Ready, Your Honor.
Has there been any change? It looks like that last plea bargain rejection was from May. And any change in negotiation or offers?
What was the offer back then? It's currently 20 on the table. I'm not sure what the offer was back then.
It's coming. Hold
It
on.
was 20 judge, and
Okay.
I assume it would be Mr. Smith.
This shows 25 for habitual,
Okay.
and so was there something different?
I think we
that-
went down to 20.
There was
I
a
mean, just-
20-year offer
Yeah.
that was previously rejected to proceed on non-habitual, but
Okay,
obviously a trial,
Yeah.
we will proceed on habitual
right.
and for a,
so I want to make sure you understand, Mr. Bell, that the offer that the state has given is to go on, I guess probably count 1 and 2 instead of all of the counts that would make it a habitual offender for a 20-year term in prison. You have every right, again, not to take that and go to trial in a couple of weeks, but I do want to make sure you understand that after today, I will not accept that plea agreement. If you're found guilty and if those prior convictions are true, it means that your habitual status and the minimum punishment would be 25 years. Do you understand? All right, and you want to go forward with trial? All right, we'll get the cases numbered after docket and let you guys know as soon as docket's over. You can go back with the bailiff. Bless you.
Judge.
Yes, sir. Mr. Burbank, on Brandon Bell?
We'll just have a second.
Sure.
I might put 2 of those after.
Okay, on Williams as well?
Yes.
Ms. Perazo, on Traven Alexander? Sure, yes, ma'am. Well, okay. Mr. Parker, are you ready on Jamarian Martin? It's a sentencing. Jamarian Martin. Okay.
The PSIs are like huge now. PSA.
See, I haven't seen this whole packet. I just saw this, I guess. Not that it matters. It's all that's what they need.
And they're all underlined now. I don't know if you've noticed that.
What do you mean?
Like every sentence is underlined. They would like that yesterday. I don't know if yours is or not.
Mine's not been like that at
Oh,
all.
two dozen.
Well, they emailed me last week and then they got hard copies. And so it's.
That's weird looking. I don't know why. Okay, are you Jamarian Martin? And Mr. Martin was previously in court in cause number 25 DCCR 0196, entered a plea of guilty to burglary of a building. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
I have your honor.
Any additions or corrections?
No worries, yeah.
Only that the state would request $500 in restitution, Judge. I think my conversation with the PSI author in this case, Ms. Banks, was subsequent to her already sending it to the court. So we were able to determine it's $500 in restitution.
Okay.
And I would also ask if the court is inclined to follow it, that it be with a condition of ISF at the very least.
So that's, yes. So my biggest question is, with regard to ISF, it's either substance or cognitive. And so because there's some drug issues, but there's also, he's young. And so what I'm considering is ISF cognitive and then JCDI as when he gets out. Does that seem appropriate for what we've got here?
I think so, Judge.
I think so. He came to court and tested positive last time, but
Right.
it probably would better address both with both of those programs. And then we could always follow up with something.
Yeah. Well, or, yeah.
Let's not go that route.
Let's- Okay, Mr. Martin, what I'm going to do, how old are you? 19. So my goal here today, and everyone's goal, is for you to be able to be successful. And so what's going to happen is you're going to be given some tools up front, not necessarily meant to be punishment, but meant to give you everything you need to change your life and be successful and go through this probation. So what that means, though, is if I do all of this now and then you violate later, coming back in and asking for another chance is probably not going to go very well. You understand? So I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 4 years. I am going to order $500 in restitution and that you follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. That's going to include entering and successfully completing the cognitive track of the ISF program, which is a 90-day program to help you make better decisions. And then when you get out, you're going to be ordered to enter and successfully complete the JCDI program, which is the Jefferson County Drug Intervention Program. That is an outpatient treatment program, but it's intensive and it's meant to help you get off all the drugs and things like that. So you're going to be able to be hopefully making better decisions, not using drugs. And if you do all of that, this is an excellent opportunity because you're not a convicted felon. You don't have this felony conviction on your record. And if you successfully complete the probation, you will never have a felony conviction. The case will be dismissed at the end if you're successful. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, convicted of the offense, which means you would be a convicted felon and sent to the state jail prison for up to 2 years. Do you understand? All right, I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. Good luck to you, sir. Sorry. Jesse Griffin, Mr. Parker?
Your Honor, before you get him out, I was gonna ask for a reset on that. I've talked to him. He has a new offer. He wanted to tell me some things and want to go more with me. He's a homeless guy that, he just asked if I could get him more time. I think it might benefit moving the case.
All right, any issues? All right, we'll just do a normal reset on, let's see. Jesse Griffin, we're gonna reset. Cecilia Delaney, that's a competency. Cecilia Delaney.
She's not,
Oh, is she not?
Oh, she should? Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I didn't think they had her. She must assume she wasn't, she said.
Okay.
She is here, yeah.
She's in our jail. So I'll hold, if you can see, we've got to get that competency thing done. Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Do y'all know that one?
What?
She's not here.
She's not here.
They're gonna work on getting her.
Thank you, ma'am. And so let's see, Khalil Harris.
Rejection judge. He's right here.
Khalil Harris. I don't see anything on here. Okay. Good morning. Are you Khalil Bradley Harris? And let's see. It says it's locked. There it goes. Never mind. All right, sir. In cause number 25 DCCR 1334, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 10th of 2025. And what that means is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm assuming we've got the prior offense. So with regard to enhancements for
They
trial
have-
purposes.
They haven't enhanced it, but they could.
So
That's been a discussion.
y'all have talked about this. So is there just the
I've ex-
one prior felony?
Yes.
And is it a regular felony or?
Yes, it's a regular felony.
So I want to make sure you understand if you go to trial and you're found guilty, that because you have a prior felony conviction, it would enhance your punishment to that of a second degree felony, which means between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I have a plea bargain rejection here on the tablet that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a cap of 5 years, which means you would leave your punishment up to me. I couldn't give you more than 5 years. I could give you 5, I could give you less. It would depend on the information that was brought to me at a hearing. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial and what your options are. And do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
I do also want to make sure you understand that after today, unless there's some new information that comes to light that your attorney or the state's attorney does not know, I will not accept this plea agreement after today. Do you understand? Okay, so we'll get it set for trial. Mr. Harris, Mr. Parker has been appointed to represent you. He's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney to begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you?
So,
Well, it's up to you.
you can be one or we're gonna know.
Okay, well, Mr. Parker will remain on and begin preparation for trial then. All right, you can go back with the bailiff. Corey Balsamo,
Balsamo.
Corey Baltimore.
Mr. Paperwork.
Should be.
Yeah, waiting for the judge.
Oh.
Good morning, we're gonna have to get them printed first real quick.
Yeah. Right, like, what?
No,
That wasn't hard. Two years. Let's take it.
Who's Erica here on? Erica Burge.
top of page 5.
Okay. Are y'all ready on it? Okay. All right, sir, you are Corey Balsamo, or Balsamo. Will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
Will, Your Honor.
In cause number 20-34743, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation November 29th of 2021 for the offense of theft of service, a state jail felony. And that must have been enhanced because it was a 10-year sentence that was probated for 10 years. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to avoid places or persons of disreputable or harmful character, and that you were admitted using methamphetamines within the Abundance Living Facility with another resident. And is that true or not true? True or not true? Count 2 alleges that you provided a urine sample August 18th of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamine. And is that true or not true?
Your Honor, state would waive counts 3 and 4.
All right, did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 and,
There's 5.
oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see.
We're waiving 3 and 4.
Gotcha.
Not 5.
Thank you. Count 5 alleges that you failed to successfully complete the SafeP program. Is that true or not true?
True.
All right. Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 5 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am. How do-
I see the problem.
Okay. It's a 10 over
It's 10 over
10.
10, and it's,
He was enhanced, and it was already convicted, so we can't do state jail.
I missed that, Judge. That's my mistake.
So I have to delete this paperwork because it would have to be TDC.
2 years TDC.
Y'all go, and the paperwork's gone, we'll go back through this in a minute, all right. Let's see, Mr. Lewis, on Christian Montoya Lazo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Burge? Good morning, ma'am. If you'll please raise your right hand, do you swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
It's like an August case.
Okay.
And that's what he's being held on here, is Harris County.
Yeah, he has a whole.
And an ice detainer.
Good morning. Are you Christian Lazo? And Mr. Lazo, in cause number 25, DCCR 1423, you're charged with aggravated robbery from May 25th of 2025. And Mr. Lewis, what is the announcement?
Judge, I've talked to Mr. Lazo briefly about the case, but there are some other issues he has out of county that he has holds for here. I got the name of the attorney over there. I was trying to see if we can get something worked out that would encompass both of them. I was under the impression he was set for trial on a robbery over there, but evidently it's something different.
Okay.
But I will check into that and make sure we get to take it.
Judge, according to his jail screen, he has holds from Harris County for a burglary charge and a theft charge. I looked on the Harris County District Clerk page. It only shows that burglary is pending at the moment, and it wasn't set for trial. It was just essentially a new case that he was not able to appear for because he's here. His offer is 25 years on this case. I would imagine if it's a burglary pending in Harris County, it's going to be lesser.
We'll take care of it first.
Yeah, and I think, Judge, honestly, in not being on the trial docket over there would make it a little bit easier for me to get with his attorney over there and get something worked out that will take care of both sides of it.
Okay.
I mean, of course, he still has to deal with the access issue.
Okay. So I'll just do a normal reset that'll give you time to visit with the Harris County Attorney and Mr. Nichols, and then go out and visit with Mr. Lazo. And we'll see if we can get an announcement at the next court date.
Sure, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Burge. Denzel Spikes, Mr. Lewis.
Judge, hold on, I know Mr. Power was looking at that one.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay, hold on, thank you.